What's up YouTube, it's Kainu back here again for another video. Today we're going to be checking out the print on demand service for the XXL Mousepad on Printify. But let's get into it. So I wanted to show you guys the actual design of the mousepad before I show you the mousepad itself. So let's hop over to Photoshop and then we'll take a look at the mousepad. So now that we're over on Photoshop, you can see my design here. I have my logo in the middle, and then I made a blue background, and then I did a bunch of Kainu text and lower opacity in the background, just because I wanted to test the detail, just in case in the future I decide to make little tiny birds in my background or mountains or whatever I decide to do. I know that the print is fairly detailed. But the sizing of the actual mousepad, I found that on the website. It's 31 inches by 15.5 inches. So that's 31 inches in width and 15.5 inches in height. And then they said it's best to use 300 pixels per inch for the resolution. So that's what I did. And this is my original design, but let me show you the actual mousepad. So let's talk about a few other details of the actual service itself. I ordered the mousepad on April 23rd and it arrived on May 1st. So that's about 8 to 9 days of ship time, which in my opinion isn't that bad. It's not as good as Amazon with the 2-day shipping, but that's beside the point. I paid $24.67 and shipping was $9, which in my opinion is fairly expensive. The actual build quality of the mousepad was fairly good. I would rate it a 7 out of 10. The quality, I would say the sharpness just really wasn't there. I would bump up my DPI to maybe 600 DPI just to give it a little bit more detail. And then the hemming around the actual outside of the mousepad, it was okay, but there was a little bit in the top right where the actual two hems met each other that I really didn't like. They were very mismatched, so I may order another mousepad in the future just to check if this is a common issue. But overall, 7 out of 10. I think it looks really good in my opinion. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and you subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.